Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I finally got my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So that is what this is. It's a big box, and I don't think I need a big box, but it is a big box. That's how it comes now. So I did cut it open, and when you open it up, it's a little disheveled, but that's normal. That's normal. So there's a little brochure in here. This is July, by the way, July Boxycharm. July, our summer beauty must-haves bring the vacay vibes from head to toe. So there's a brochure that tells you some things and shows you some of the power picks and that type of thing. So how Boxycharm works with Ipsy is you get 5 full-size items, and they pick 2 for you, and you get to pick 3. So that is very nice. I like picking 3. I don't like this lipstick. I'm going to tell you that right now, but I'll tell you about it in a little bit when we get there, okay? So I'm just looking at this real quickly, and there's a sneak peek of August lineup on the back. So that is that. August has the icon box. So I get the glam bag, which is $14, and then I get the Boxycharm, which is $30. And then the icon box I think is $60, and they all get $1.99 added on for the shipping, or the handling they call it. They say free shipping, and that's the handling, I think. But yeah, this is way too dark. It might be nice in the winter, but not with this outfit. Okay, but we're gonna talk about that when we get there. Okay, all right. So what I got, the power picks for me are really, really nice. They sent me Gold Fadden MD. This is called the Wake Up Call. And this is $105. Okay, I just told you all I paid $30 plus $1.99 for this box. I actually paid less because I buy it by the year, so you get a discount when you do that. This is full. This is completely full, this tube. It's 2 ounces. It is the Wake Up Call. It says problem, dry and aging skin. Overnight regenerative facial treatment. It has avocado oil, retinol, and that CoQ10 stuff in it. Dr. Goldfadden's Overnight Creamy Facial Moisturizer redefines skin's feel and improves the appearance of photo-damaged aging skin, leaving skin looking supple, feeling plump, and appearing hydrated. So, $105, y'all. Now, I have gotten Goldfadden products many times, mostly in those little deluxe samples, you know, so it's nice to get it once in a while in a full size. So that is, with the power picks that I saw, that's probably one of the best ones. And the next one they sent me, I also am very happy with. They sent me the palettes. The palette is, blue is right here in case you can't see them. And of course I can't see my notes. The palette is Laura Geller. It says Seasonless Staples, Wildflower Wishes, and it's 14 multi-finish eyeshadows. It's beautiful packaging, very summery packaging, but everybody that has shown this palette, it looks very much like a fall palette, although I really believe you can do any, if you, it's taped on both ends. If you know what you're doing with makeup, you don't have to be a professional, because I'm not, and I can't necessarily say I know what I'm doing with makeup, but I know how to put some color on my eyes. You can make any palette work for any season. Maybe not any, most palettes, let's put it that way. Some palettes are just, like they're very, very light or something, that might not work. So this is in a box, and it is very pretty. I've seen it, but not in person. Look at how pretty the decoration. And Laura Geller, I love Laura Geller. I like her makeup. I use it every day. My foundation, my base is Laura Geller. And this is what it looks like inside. It has, well, of course, this plastic is taped on both ends. So I'll try to show it to you without taking that plastic off it right now. Very, summery, August, this would have been good for the August box. August, September, October colors to me. August, September colors. Anyway, very fall-like. A lot of people have said that, and I do agree with that. That is a $45 value. And okay, Blue, you gonna leave? Okay, that's very helpful if you leave. My box is valued at $301, and then I do have the Beauty Boost. So, okay, the first choice that I got, I could choose from Innisfree sunscreen, which was for your face. There was Barboletta brand makeup remover, Dr. Brandt. It was a highlighter. Usually Dr. Brandt is skincare, but this was a highlighter. Aloe Yoga brand. It was a body lotion. What I got, and then also an Anastasia Beverly Hills satin lip, which is in a beautiful gold container, very pretty. I swear I have it somewhere, but I can't find it. But I do have a mini of it, which is, I put it on because it's very dark. Now, I can't tell you that it was exactly this shade, but it looked like this shade. And when I'm having to choose, I'm at work, because this happens, used to be when it was Ipsy Plus, it was up at like 6 in the morning and I could pick at home. So if I thought, oh, do I have it or not? So the name of this lippy is called Dead Roses, and it's very dark. It is pretty. I think I could make it work for summer, but it's a little dark for me with this outfit, I think. But that's why I didn't get that lippy, because that's what I probably would have gone for normally. So I picked this. Wow. This looks like a deluxe mini, y'all, but it isn't. This is a full size. This is $85. $85. This is I think it's a new brand to me. I don't recognize the brand name. It's African Botanicals, but I'm sorry, African Botanics. And it is a mineral mask, purifying clay mask. You know, I don't really use these kinds of things. Darn it, I should have got that Anastasia Beverly Hills. Even if I didn't use it, it would be nice for y'all. Anyway, this gets great reviews. It says time for a skin detox. The mineral mask is packed with ingredients, and it tells you all about that. But anyway, had I known it was this small, I probably wouldn't have gotten it. It's sealed, I'm sure it's sealed. I can smell clay. Wow, $85, y'all. You know, it's nice to try new brands though, so I'm okay with that. And next up, choice number 2. Was that my choice number 2? Yeah. Choice number 2, I could pick, it was spelled L-A-V-A-A. So Lava, maybe, instead of Lava? I don't know. Lava Beauty Mascara. It was brown, and I do like brown mascara, but well, you know, you'll see what I picked. There was the Pear Nova brand Liquid Eye. We've had some Pear Nova brand shadows and things like, and also nail polishes and stuff, and it's a nice brand. Stone Street, there was a body scrub. Aloe Yoga, again, that brand, in a detox mask, face mask, and the brand Feel Beauty face oil. And what I chose, and this is LaRousse Beauty. So this is gonna be hard to beat the LaRousse Beauty. LaRousse Beauty are brushes. I don't know if they do anything else besides brushes, honestly. I've had their brushes a few times. I love their brushes. This is a beautiful package, pink. You can see their name here in gold, like a rose gold color. This is a $42 value, and this is a 4-piece eye makeup brush set in pink, and they are individually wrapped. I don't know if I'll use them. They say you can't have too many brushes, but I love the LaRousse brushes that I have. I love. I have some black handled ones. I think I have maybe another color, but maybe not a whole set. But I don't really want to touch the brush part because in case I were to put these in a giveaway, I'll just touch the barrel. But I want you to see the handle because this, anytime I've had a LaRousse brush, I believe it's been this way. This is like a silicone, and it has these little squares on them that are a wonderful grip. So you're not going to lose this when you're working with this brush. And they're beautiful. And of course, this is a gorgeous set. You know, the 4 brushes with a beautiful case. So I'm not sure. I may put that in a giveaway in the future. You never can have too many brushes, but I don't have this space for all these brushes. That's my problem. All right, next up, my choice for number 3 was a Beauty Vault. There were 2 makeup sponges, very cute. One was orange, one was yellow. Little Beauty, I think that was the brand, Little Beauty, a Brow Sculpt, you know, the gel with the little brush and stuff. Cinta London, never heard of that brand. It was a cheek flush, so it was a blush. Refreshments brand, body cream, which is by Ipsy. That was a nice big body cream tube. And Chica Beauty, a highlighter. And then also what I chose, this is Wing Me brand. And it is Well Put Eye Primer, $24 value. And I am getting low on my eye primer, so I thought I would get it. Look how cute that package is in there. So Wing Me, we've had that brand before. Well Put Eye Primer. So what you do with an eye primer is, you know, just like what you would do with a primer for your face. Now, I don't use a primer on my face. People that use a primer on my face, do you ever use it on your eyes, and does it help hold your eyeshadow on? I do like to use for all day or for a special occasion. I like to put primer on my eyelid before I put my shadow on, because I have hooded eyes, and when you open your eyes a lot, because we do, looking, blinking, by the end of the day, a lot of times my shadow will have a crease in it, you know, from touching back and forth. So, but with an eye primer, that doesn't happen. So it stays on and it stays where I put it. So, and I'm getting low on my eye primer, so I thought I would get that. $24 value. I've never had this brand before, but I do like an eye primer. So since we're talking about my eyes, I'll tell you what I'm wearing on my eyes, since I told you what I'm wearing on my lips. I am wearing this gorgeous palette. This is BH Cosmetics. It is the Stellar Collision. I usually don't save the outsides of these, but since it was different, I did. This I got from CC. CC has Panning for Goals. That's her channel, and she also has CC Straw Size Life, but she hasn't really done much on that channel in a while. So Panning for Goals. She does a lot of panning, so go check her out. If you haven't seen her recently, she's a great girl. You'll love her. I love her. She sent me this a while back, and I love it. It is, I think what happened is it sold out, and she had an extra one. And because I was very disappointed, but see, it looks like the planets and everything. It has a fabulous collection of colors, and they're all frosts. So this is what I have on. And then I put this eyeliner on, and I got this eyeliner in Ice Cream Beauty a long time back. This, because I haven't gotten that for a while. This is from Okalan, and I think we got a set of 3. There might have been a black one, and I know there was a gold glitter, and then there was this purple and maybe black. I don't remember what the other color was. I kept the purple. I gave the others away, and that is what I got in my Ipsy Boxy by Ipsy. I also get the Beauty Boost, and I don't know if I'm going to continue it. I wasn't going to continue it this time, but they charge you at midnight on the 1st of the month, and I was thinking about it. But I'm glad to get this, because the Beauty Boost is $15. And this, what they tell you, this is your Beauty Boost. And it was Grown Alchemist. And I don't remember, it was a serum of some sort. Forgot to write that down. And I like Grown Alchemist products. I like them a lot. But I have a few too many serums right now. So the other choices, they give you 6 choices. There was Tula Skincare. That was a body moisturizer. It was a tub. There was the brand Ole Henriksen. I do like that brand. This was an Acidun Bright set, it was called. It was a 3-piece set. It has been in the sale, I think. It looked like 3 deluxe samples. I do like Ole Henriksen skincare and cleansers. You know, I had a few choices here. There was the brand Living Proof. It was a hair mask. And there was SL Miss Glam, a beautiful 8-piece makeup brush set. It was silver and black, very beautiful set. But I already got the LaRousse brushes. And there was this Cat Berkey. Cat Berkey is an excellent skincare brand. This is the Nutrient C Eye Cream, and this is a $90 value. So I got this. I am using a Cat Berkey. I think it's the same one. I meant to bring it over here and I forgot. I have a deluxe sample that I think I bought from Ipsy. I don't think I got it in the glam bag. I think I got it as an add-on, so I paid $3.50 for it. And I think this is what it is, and I like it. It's just a small tube. This is beautiful, beautiful packaging. And it's if it's that, it's very, very nice. This is glass, like a coated glass. Nutrient C Eye Cream, $90 value. So that's what I chose this time. I do like if they put makeup in there, which they do. They had the makeup brushes, but I already had picked brushes. So I would like a palette in there every month. That's what I would like. Anyway, but I did get a palette, so I'll take pictures and put these things on Instagram if you'd like to see them. I have the gorgeous LaRousse brushes. Well, that's the Beauty Boost. I have the African Botanics clay mask. I have the Wing Me eye primer. The Gold Fan MD Wake Up Call. And the Laura Geller Gorgeous palettes. It's so it's so beautifully decorated. Beautiful. I don't think I showed you the back before. Very, very pretty palette. And that's what I got in my Boxycharm. So my box is valued at, I think it's 300 bucks, y'all. $301. $301. And $32 is what this costs. And with my Beauty Boost, it makes it $391. So you can't beat that. If you like really excellent quality, high bougie, you know, highfalutin kind of stuff like I do, this is the box for you. So that's what I got. So y'all take care and count your blessings, and good to see you. Bye-bye.